Smile and learn.
Hey! Today I want to talk to you about one of the most curious animals, the bee. Do you want to know some incredible things about bees? Here we go! The bee is an invertebrate animal, which means it has no internal skeleton. It belongs to the arthropod insect group. It's herbivorous. Their main foods are pollen, nectar from flowers, and honey produced by themselves. We can find bees in practically every part of the world, although they tend to live in forests, orchards, and gardens. Bees are small insects, measuring between 0.08 and 1.6 inches. Did you know that there are more than 20,000 different bee species? Bees live in communities known as hives. They are very social animals. A beehive is divided into 3 groups or castes: the queen bee, the worker bees, and the drone bees. The queen bee is the largest and most fertile female, which means she's the only bee that lays eggs. Worker bees are small, infertile, and have various functions within the community. Drones are male bees, and their main function is to fertilize the queen. Worker bees are very busy. They have a lot of tasks within the hive. They build and keep the honeycomb clean, place food in different cells, take care of the hatchlings, and protect their community from other bees or wasps. It sounds exhausting. Have you ever seen a yellow structure like this? It's called a honeycomb. It's made from small wax cells where bees raise their larvae and where they make honey. Have you ever wondered how honey is made? First of all, bees collect pollen and nectar from flowers. When they return to the hive, they give it to the other bees, which chew the pollen until it loses its moisture and turns into honey. This honey is then stored in the honeycomb cells. Since it's still a bit wet, they fan it out with their wings to dry it out, and that makes honey stickier. You may wonder, why do they make honey? Well, to eat it, like us. Do you know how many eyes bees have? Not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 eyes. Since beehives are usually very dark places, the different eye types are very useful. Bees also have a great sense of smell and can detect odors from miles away. Bees are protected species because their activity is essential for plant reproduction on this planet. As they move from flower to flower in search of food, they also transport and carry pollen that flowers need to reproduce. This important process is called pollination. In addition to bees, pollination can also occur thanks to wind or water. This is why bees have been named the most important species on the planet. Wow, you've already learned a lot of interesting things about animals. I'm sure that the next time you see a bee, you won't look at it with the same eyes. See you next time!
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.